Okay. Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. We are from Group 4, Group Cap Rambutan. That consists of 3 members. First, me, Haris Izudin bin Hairul Azhar. Second, Ahmed Shukur bin Jalaluddin. And third, Muhammad Qayyim. Okay. Today we will conduct a demonstration of our face mask vending machine. Okay. For the first step, the user need to switch on the on-off button. If not, the machine will not work at all. Shuko, can you switch on the button? Okay. Okay. Then we go to the step 2. In this step, the user need to insert the money. For your information, this machine only accept RM1. So the user need to push the button. Then the money will count up until RM5. Then it will not accept the money anymore. If the user want to reset the value of the money inserted, they need to push the clear bar button. Then it will become 0. Okay. Shuko, can you demonstrate? Okay, here Shuko count until 5, and then the value cannot accept anymore. Okay, we go to step 3.
Okay, moving on to the step 3. For the face mask, we provide 4 options A, B, C, D according to the variation, ear loops and head loops, and either 3 pieces or 5 pieces, which is RM3 and RM5, accordingly each one of them. So, for example, I want to choose B, 5 pieces, RM5, which will take all the money I've given. For your information, if we input RM3, we can only choose A or B, and if we input RM5, we can only choose B or D. For RM3, A or C. For RM5, B or D. So for example, we can see the light, it lights up only B or D because it will never accept input for A and C. For example, I choose B, then we can see that the money resets, which means the money is taken into the machine, and we can see that our stock initially it is 3233. Now we can see that it reduces into, for B it reduces to 1 and to 2. So for example, we are going to do our next purchase. For example, 1, 2, 3, and I am going to choose for example C. So we can see that the stock reduces from 3 to 2 here, and our money resets again. So the process that we can see happen here is it will accept the money and the choices, and it will end both of it, and it will give the result. At the same time, the stock will be updated here in this circuit. We've got for stock A, stock B, stock C, and stock D. So as we can see, the light here, the LED light here represents that the stock is still available. So if the stock finishes, we may not be able to buy it anymore. For example, let us buy stock B till it finishes. Okay. For example, 1, 2, 3, and we are going to buy stock B, for example. Stock B, stock A. 1, then again we're going to buy it, and again we're going to buy it. then we can see that stock A has finished. After this, we may not be able to buy stock A anymore. For example, I input 1, 2, 3 ringgits, and I'm going to buy A. See, we cannot buy it. Next, after that, we can see that if all the stock cleared also, we cannot buy it. So for your information, we need to make sure the input switch is 0 after each purchase, so that we can do another purchase. For the last part, we are going to discuss what will happen when all of this stock is finished. For example, when all of this stock is cleared, we're going to clear the stock for now. So we clear the stock. Okay, we can see that becomes A, B, C, D, all of it becomes 0. So it will not accept any money. You can see I'm pushing the button here, but it is not accepting any money. The 7 segment display always displays 0, which means it does not accept any money. So that is all from us. Thank you for listening.